viewers, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. This is your tutor. I'm tutor Addison J. Zulu. So in this short video, I want to teach you how you can find special angles just by using your fingers like this. You use those fingers that you have, then you find special angles. Very simple. So even as we start, I want you to like this video so that it can get more views, and comment something according to your understanding. So in this video, we know that special angles that we normally use are what? We need to have special angles. So we've got special angles. So we want to find what? We want to find special what? Special angles. How can we find special angles like 30 degrees? How can we find special angles like 45 degrees? How can we find special angles like 60 degrees and 90 degrees? How can we find these special angles? We've got also 0 degrees. How can we find these special angles? By using my fingers or your fingers like this. So this is very simple. I want you to do this. This is your finger. Have you seen? This is my left finger. So you get this. This is my left hand, sorry. So this is my left hand. So you get your left hand like this. So I'm going to say this is 0 degrees. So don't forget, let us do this together. This is 0 degrees. This is 30 degrees. This is 45 degrees. This is 60 degrees. And this is what? This is 90 degrees. So when I'm going this side, have you seen? When I'm going this side, this is cos. Have you seen? Here I've got cos. So any angle I'll be given, going this side, it's cos. Going this other side on my right hand, it's sine. So going this side, it is what? Cos. But coming this side, where my right hand is, there I find sine. So this is very simple. So let's go together. Let's not forget. This is what? 0 degrees. This is what? 30 degrees. This is what? 45. This is what? 60. And this is what? 90. So let's not forget, going this side, it is what? Cosine. Coming this other side, it is what? Sine. So this is very simple. So before we go, I want you to master this. Before I proceed, I want you to master this. So the number on top will be putting the what? The root like this, then over 2. Have you seen? So this is what we are going to be doing. So let's not forget this. This is what we are going to be doing. So any number on top that we get, we just say square root of that same number, then over 2. This is very simple. So let us work together. Let us practice together. So this is my finger. Have you seen? This is my what? This is my finger. I told you that this is my hand. So I told you that with this now, this finger, that, like that. Have you seen? So this is what we are going to be doing. So this is what? This is 0 degrees. This is what? 30. So let me say I want to find what? I want to find 30. I told you that going this side, it is what? Cos. Then this side is sine. So this is 30. How many fingers am I having here? Going this side, only 1. So it is what? Root 1 over what? Over 2. Like I told you. So here it's 1 over 2. So sine 30, it's 1 over 2. Have you seen? This, the next finger is what? The next finger we get, the next finger that we are going to get is 45 here. This is 45. So what if I want to find sine 45 using your finger? How do you answer that? 45. So I told you that this finger, 0, 30, 45, like that. So sine is coming this side. Have you seen coming this side? So this is 45. How many fingers are we having? 1, 2. So you just say it is root 2 over 2. That is your answer. Have you seen? So we go to what? Cos. What if we want to find cos 45? What are we supposed to do? 45. So I'm using my fingers here. Have you seen? Using my finger. This is my left hand. So 40 cos, I told you we need to go that side. 45, we know that it is here. 45, it is where? It is here. So cos going this side. So 1, 2. Have you seen? So root 2 over what? 2. We get the final. We get the same answer. Have you seen? So this is what we need to do. This is what we need. We can find any angle using these fingers that are here. Just need to know this is 0, 30, 45, 60, then 90. Have you seen? So you discover that this is 0 like this. Have you seen? This finger is what? 0. So what if I want to find cos 0 degrees? What is my answer? Cos 0 degrees, you get your hand like this. 0 is here. So cos is going that side. Have you seen? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, this is 0. Then these fingers that are remain, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4. So I say root 4 over 2. Have you seen? Root 4 over 2. Then you calculate. This is equal to root 4 is 2. 2 divided by 2. What is your answer? Have you seen? 2 divided by 2. You get what? 1. So cos 0 is what? 1. You can, it's what? 1. Cos 0 degrees is 1. You can prove this on your calculator. So this is very simple. So you find any special angle by using your hand and your fingers. Very simple. Have you seen the way I'm finding? So this is how you need to be finding each. So you know that, let's say, okay, I'm just emphasizing on the what? Cosine and what? And the sine like this. So what if you are taught to find tan? Have you seen? What if you are taught to find tan? You know that the way we get to find tan, we say sine theta over what? Cos theta. This is the formula that we use. Have you seen? So let me lab this so that you may understand properly. So we want to find, we are under special angles. So we are under special what? Special angles. So these are special angles. So if you want to find tan, have you seen? Let's say you want to find tan 45 degrees. So tan 45 degrees, the formula for tan is what? Is what you say, you find sine 45 over cos. Cos what? Cos 45 like this. So this is what you are going to do. So this is very simple. We can work out this together. So you say tan 45 is equal to, have you seen? You get your hand like this. You find what? You find this one. Sine what? Sine 45. So don't forget what I told you. I told you that on top, the number on top, it's always under the root. So the number on top, we put the root. Over what? 2. This is what we are going to do. This is the formula that I've just showed you. So you get this. This is your hand. Have you seen? You get this, your hand. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So 45. So 45 is here. 0, 30, 45. My 45 is where? My 45 is here. This is where my 45 is. This is my hand. 45 is here. Cos is going this side. How many fingers, apart from this, how many fingers are remaining? 2 fingers. So it's root 2 over 2. Have you seen? This 2 is part of the formula. So root 2 over 2 is what? Cos 45. So this is what? Cos what? Cos 45. Then I go to sine. Sine, I told you, we need to be coming this other side. So this is 45. How many fingers are remaining? 1, 2. 1, 2. So it's what? Root 2 over what? Over 2. We get the same answer. So this is what? This is sine 45. So I say root 2 over 2. Divide, I divide. So I divide by what? Cos 45. Cos 5 also gave me root 2 over 2. So this one, I know that it will be root 2 over 2. Have you seen root 2 over 2? This one will be times. The 2, these will swap. Do this. The 2 on top, then this come down. 2 cancelled. This cancelled. The answer is what? 1. So whenever you want to find tan 45, the answer is what? The answer is 1. So I've just showed you how you can use your hand to find special angles. This is the easiest way that one can answer. So let me progress now. What if you are told to find what? You are told to find, so cos 90. So what if I'm told to find, so I want to show you this. This is the easiest way. So what if you want to find cos 90? So I want to find cos 90 degrees. I want to find also sine 90 degrees. I want to find, let me say, I want to find cos 60. So these are the special angles that I want us to find using our what? Using our fingers. So this is my left hand. So you do this, cos what? 90. So 90 is here. Then I told you that cos, we need to be going this side. Have you seen? You get your finger like this. Cos, you need to be going this side. This side, going this side. So here, this is 90. Do we have anything here? No, there is 0. That's why we say cos 90 is what? 0. So that is 0. Sine 90. So 90 is here. Sine is coming this side. So we remove this. How many fingers are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you say root what? 4 over what? Over 2. Have you seen? Square root of 4. You see? It's what? 2 over 2. The answer is 1. That's why sine 90 is 1. But cos 90 is 0. Have you seen? We go to cos what? 60. You do this. You check. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. 60 is here. Cos going this side. Cos you are going this side. So what fingers? How many fingers are remaining? 1. So root what? Root 1 over 2. Root 1, square root of 1 is 1 over 2. So the answer is 1 over 2. Have you seen? This is how you get to answer those questions. That's how you need to answer what those questions. That's why, let's say you want to find a tan 90 now. Tan 90. Tan 90, the formula for tan is what? Cos. So you say cos 90 over, sine 90 over cos 90, which is equal to. Have you seen? So what is cos 90? Sine 90. Sine 90 gave us 1 like this. Over. Have you seen? Over what? Cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. So this is what? Undefined. Have you seen? This is what? Undefined. You cannot get such expressions in mathematics. Have you seen? This is the easiest way of answering or handling those questions that you may have. So this is the easiest way that I've just showed you. So this is how you need to answer those questions. So using your hand, so you can confirm all these answers by just using your calculator. So using your what? Using your hand. Using your hand. I want you to answer these questions. So I want you to find me tan. So I want you to find tan 30. I want you to find tan 60. I want you to find the let me say cos 45. I want you to answer these questions. Have you seen? These are the questions that I want you to practice using your what? Your hand. So let me help you with this one. Have you seen? So tan, the formula for tan, you know that you want to find tan what? Tan 30. So what you're going to do is that tan 30 is equal to, tan 30 is equal to sine 30 over cos what? 30. This is equal to, so you find what? You find this one, cos 30. Sine 30 on top. We find sine 30 on top. Sine 30. So sine 30, how do we get sine 30? You do this. 30 is here. Have you seen 0, 30? So sine here is 1. So 1, only 1 remaining. Root 1 over 2, square root of, so it's root 1 over 2. This is 1 over 2. So there I've got what? 1 over 2. Divide. So I'll do divide. Cos 30. 30 is here. Cos is going this side. So cos 30 is here. 30 is here. Cos going this side. 1, 2, 3. So it's what? Root 3 over 2. Have you seen? Then you get to work out this. This will change to times. So it will be 1 over 2 times. This one will go on top. So it will be 2 over what? Root 3, like, which is equal to 2 cancelled. 1 times 1, 1 over root what? Root 3. This is your answer. Have you seen? So this is tan what? tan 30. This is how you get to answer this question. So let's make sure we go through this, we understand this very well. So using your hand, find this and find that. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. You get your hand. Go in this side, cos. This side, sine. So if you want to find cos, this is 60 degrees. Cos, go in this side. So how many fingers are remaining? 2. So just say root 2 over 2. Have you seen? This other side is sine. So this is 60. Sine 60. How many fingers are remaining? 2. Root 2 over 2. So always down, the denominator is 2. The number on top, the numerator, you put the root. So it's root over 2. So if this is 60, you want to find cos 60. How many fingers are remaining here? 1. So just root 1 over 1. Then you know square root of 1, it's 1. So just the same as 1 over 2. This is what you need to do and get. Thank you so much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel.